Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn how to divide unit fractions. Fraction, a number that exhibits equal parts of a whole object or set of objects. Example, 2 over 5, 6 over 11, and 4 over 7. Dividing fractions. Dividing fractions is multiplying the first fraction with the inverse of the second fraction. Example, 1 over 2 divided by 4 over 6. When dividing fractions, we can do KCF. KCF stands for keep, change, and flip. You keep the first fraction, you change the division sign into a multiplication sign, and you flip the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. So 1 over 2 divided by 4 over 6 is equal to 1 over 2 times 6 over 4. Unit fraction. Fraction that has 1 as the numerator with natural number as the denominator. Example, 1 over 4, 1 over 9, and 1 over 5. Dividing unit fraction. 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 4. 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 4 is equal to 5 over 6 times 4 over 1 when doing KCF. The 6 and the 4 can be simplified by 2, which 6 becomes 3 and 4 becomes 2. 5 over 3 times 2 over 1 is equal to 10 over 3. And 10 over 3 is the answer. 7 over 11 divided by 1 over 7 is equal to 7 over 11 times 7 over 1 when doing KCF. 7 times 7 is 49. 11 times 1 is 11. So the answer is 49 over 11. 1 over 9 divided by 11 over 12. 1 over 9 divided by 11 over 12 is equal to 1 over 9 times 12 over 11. 9 and 12 can be simplified by 3, in which 9 becomes 3 and the 12 becomes 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 11 is 33. So the answer is 4 over 33. 15 over 18 divided by 1 over 3. 15 over 18 divided by 1 over 3 is equal to 15 over 18 times 3 over 1. 3 and 18 can be simplified by 3, in which 18 becomes 6 and 3 becomes 1. So the answer is 15 over 6. 21 over 30 divided by 1 over 9. 21 over 30 divided by 1 over 9 is equal to 21 over 30 times 9 over 1. 30 and 9 can be simplified by 3. The 30 becomes 10 and the 9 becomes 3. So 21 over 10 times 3 over 1 is equal to 63 over 10. 63 over 10 is the answer. 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5 times 5 over 1. The two 5s can be simplified by 5, in which both of them become 1. So the answer is 2 over 1 or 2. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Write your comments in the comment box below. Subscribe and click the bell button while learning easier Instagram.